Hello. Do you have burnout? Is it because you're doing too much? I know that the world tells you that you need to get in there and get that stuff organized and get that stuff cleaned up and then just keep it that way. Well, that's a born organized person who's saying that. A born organized person who has a map in their mind that tells them exactly what's next. Most of us following this system tend to be drawn here because we have a little ADD, maybe undiagnosed, but we are definitely sidetracked. So I want you to really focus on following the plan that I give you on my YouTube video. There are lots of things in the playlist. You can see how to do this plan. How to do the FlyLady system for newbies is one. You can look in the playlist and find individual things that need to be done in the day if you want a clear breakdown. You can watch me on Patreon every day, and I'll tell you exactly what to do. But whatever it is, I'm not telling you to work more than 15 minutes decluttering. And I'm not telling you to clean your whole house at once, stem to stern, deep clean. I'm not, because that's not the way to do it. You're going to burn out if you do that. So stop the craziness and start with a yoke that is light and a burden that is easy, but gives you peace. Have a wonderful day.